Yo, what's up guys? We just pulled up into the car with the boys on our way to Veld, 2K19. Fucking hype day, Corey. Booker's going. We're gonna hit the hotel first probably. Cam's just gassing up right now. We're gonna hit the hotel first, set up all our shit.
Fucking ready to go.
Definitely down for that. And then tomorrow, we're ready to send. Ready to get rowdy. Yo, we're just pulling up to the hotel now. Meeting up with the fucking lads. Good, bro.
Good, man.
What's up, Booker? Good, bro.
Brown.
Who is it? It's a B Brown. Yeah, so we just got done checking into the hotel, but buddy over here forgot the power cord to his deck for mixing, so that's a fucking mistake. We're on our way to Best Buy right now. I'm gonna grab some shit. I'm gonna grab a case for my phone, some batteries, get a quick re-up, and then we're gonna hook some frizz. Alright, we're about to get a little room tour action. Number 234. Party life.
I think I'm about to market something.
Ready for some disc, Dawson?
Yeah, man.
Yo, Badgley. That one was better. Nice. Did we find ourselves a rooftop, boys?
Okay.
This is decent. Oh, Brown's going on the upper level.
Good?
I always sketch it like
Fucking sketchy.
I like being cautious. When I see the videos of those like
Heads.
running guys like jumping off the edge and shit.
That's dope.
Yo, Reef, come take photos of you. With that sun in the back.
Right. The fucking boys.
Yeah, it's fucking dope up here.
Good shit. Yo, what's good, guys? Just getting ready for day one of Veld right here. Boys are getting fucking hyped. Cam's getting his daily icing in. Corey's getting set. This guy's getting pretty. Almost ready to go.
Are you ready?
Yo, Brown. Good, bro.
Material that wanted to dance.
that's the Vildra's car.
Yo, it's good. Right now the boys are pulling up to day 2. We're getting there.
I'm so